pag lalaki kasi dito, tawag dito laki. Kasi LAKI. Then babae naman is Bai. So it's Bai. Pero I don't think there's any relation. Every time mag-video sila na Bai. Tinatanong wala ba kayong nakita? It's very,
Pili ko hindi kami aalis mamaya.
And for others pala, actually, kumain natin sa
bukas
Sabi niya.
Hindi, wait na kayo kung alas na ito from our kitchen flavor. We do have like the classic pistachio, the caramel, matcha latte, black sesame, dark chocolate. For dark, different bye-bye in different areas of Panay Island. So we take variety, but parang may different approaches. Pero tawag nila bye-bye pa rin. So may bye-bye na coconut and rice, meron naman mais, corn, meron naman peanut. Pero yung approaches kasi, the different ingredients. For back one naman, dapat hindi siya bitter taste. So,
mga chismosa.
Locations in Iloilo. Our first store is in Mandurriao, Tabucan. It's less than a kilometer away. This is our, I would say this is our flagship store. So we're very grateful with SM Group na tinap tayo and gave us this opportunity na meron tayong ganitong venue. So this is our effort to landmark our presence in Iloilo. So our third branch naman is in downtown city proper. So under sa isang hotel naman. So this is our third branch. So manotice nyo po yung ice cream natin. At then mabilis po siya yes, lasang isa po, espresso siya. Apo. Medyo mabilis siya matunaw compared sa regular ice cream kasi wala tayong binder nilalagay. As much as possible, we use simple ingredients to showcase simple flavors. And I think what makes Iloilo na as a city of gastronomy is acknowledging what we have and maximizing it. So before starting this business, I used to work with Gawad Galinga. So if you're familiar with, the people from Gawad Galinga, so I used to work with them. That's how we started. That's how I started my adventure with food. So after pandemic, lumipas po tayo dito. Ito po yung mga ice cream natin. Wala naman siguro allergies, that restriction. Wala naman po. Okay naman. All full dairy naman po tayo. So, and yung kasabihan natin, when you're in Iloilo, bawal matunawan. So I bet, this is your how many stop na? Third. So, dapat kain na po na kain. Kahit na ice cream na kayo sa iba, ice cream ulit. Sige po.
Thank you.
So for questions, nandito lang ako. If you want to ask anything, feel free. So, kahit hindi siya related sa happy endings or hindi siya related sa ice cream, we would be very glad to help. Happy endings. Thank you. Early, pure flavors and great flavors for very grateful tayo na we were given the opportunity to showcase this.
Sir, anong lighter?
Bye-bye. Sige na.
That's espasol.
Parang espasol po.
Kikindanan lang kita mo na.